Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamda kasni. Bongur ki samla pule bat ke bade ban yakhon ya National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET UG 2024 ke exam kala pelong da ka National Testing Agency NTA bar ki bala yakhon haukut center identify baka NTA kala jit ha Alpha English Higher Secondary School AEH SS. Kila Sngewsih bat iamkthang kata kedai hadian baladon ke jingbakla ha ke rukom bansam ya ki jingkylli bar ki bala ha ban jubab ya ki jingkylli kiba omde ki jingkylli na benta ban yakun ya ka NEET ya ki jingkylli na ka benta ka NEET ha center AEH SS nongpo kidai ki bala poi ha ki arjaka kata ha SBI nongpo ki bala don ha ka jingsong ka kon bastem Katba ki bala poi ha Canara Bank ki ki jingkylli ki bala song ha ka kot pasau. Kumta ha bagite ki jingkylli ki la poi ha kate ka jaka tho exam. Ladon ki kena ki bala kali na ki nong am ha kate ka jaka tho exam. Ba onne kumno ya kite ki artali ki jingkylli ha ka baka jubab na ki nong up kalong bakidei ban jubab baro ar kite ki jingkylli. Habagite ki kena kila dep bantho kumba shikanta shiteng ha ka badan na preng jengki ki blas dang sha ban tho jubab ya ki jingkylli bala song ha ka kot basau badan na preng jengki ki bla jubab shwa ki jingkylli ki bala song ha ka kot bastem penban hakum kate ka por baki kena ki dang tho exam ki nong up ha kate ka jaka tho exam kila ong baka wei na kite ki jingkylli ka dei ka babakla bar bakite ki samla kim dei ban tho ne ban jubab
Nengkok ni kisam atli ka paper ha ka jo por te habang ikli ya ki kano bangin de ban tho ki ong ban tho lang baro al te ngila kali hi ban ong ban tho shwa ka eru ki ong tho lang baro al tingir ngi tho lang baro al ke ki don ki ba tho shwa ka to ka bade don ki ba tho shwa ka bom dei bekito ki bom ba tho pare ka bom dei pat kilo ki shwan ong no par hamar siteng jong ka exam bakam deir ka to tho no ka to ka ba r1 te kum nongin tho pat ban pendap ya ka to hamar siteng jong ka exam ba ru ka por kin ai khinyat bha ka extra yang ni ka tai aba long bakan shai bat bang tho be yang sesisin namar khnang bang su thu ya ka balaj bat ka bade
I want to tell the NTA to consider the student yesterday who have exam here in Alpha Higher Secondary School, but because they don't get the same opportunity like other center examination because they miss more than 2 hours for the NEET exam. It is impossible to complete within 1 hour 20 minutes to complete 720 marks. So my request is like for me as a brother, I feel very concerned about a student who attempted NEET UG yesterday because regarding the distribution of paper, 2 sets of paper, in which one is false, one is the correct one. So in which my sister or brother who read the examination yesterday, after coming out they cry and they feel very bad. Then I was asking them what happened. Then they tell me that they got two set of paper, in which one they attempt more than 2 hours. So before starting the examination, they are asking which one should write. Invigilator is telling that they should write both the paper. So the student obviously they know they give 2 set of paper, then they choose the easy one. Then like 1.5 hours. After 2 hours like that, they came and said that the one you are writing is wrong, so you should change the set of paper. Then the student they tried to complete as far as the end. Then to complete it to complete the 720 marks within 1 hour 20 minutes is impossible. So they feel very sad after completed the exam. They came and complained us as the parent or brother. Me as a brother, my demand is to the NTA they should re-exam again the student who had a failure yesterday. And they should consider it because they don't send any expert from their side. Then they should have some solution to solve the issue here.
Number one, actually, we were very happy as a school to accept Center for the NEET exams because we thought that we can serve our people around this area better. They won't have to go far away anywhere like in that way. We were very, readily accepted the thing, that the responsibility, and we said we will go ahead with it. Then we had prepared, of course we did not get to go for the orientation program call to Delhi because it was not possible. Short notice they had given, and we are not free also to go there. And then number two is that we had tried to go for orientation online, but the thing is always full. We really did not get, literally. So with the number of institutions that they have, the centers all over the country. So what happened is we had strictly read the guidelines given by the NTA. We had followed strictly by those, and there was nowhere in the guideline that we will be given two sets of questions. And so we informed the Deputy Commissioner. He had appointed a magistrate to follow an order. He had written to the SP for security, and then for all uninterrupted supply of power and the Wi-Fi connection and all of that stuff. They were very helpful and supportive, and then we were happy. And then on Friday, the SBI branch manager called me and said, "Ma'am, you can come and collect the NTA parcel on Sunday, 1 hour before exams." I said, "Fine, okay, 1 o'clock I'll come." And then Saturday he sent a message. He said, as per NTA guidelines, you can collect even at 9 o'clock. So we don't want to keep the people for too long in the bank. And then so I said, okay, fine, I'll come and collect at 9 o'clock on Sunday morning. Then yesterday morning, that was Sunday, I got a call from the branch manager of the Canara Bank, and he said, "Ma'am, there's a parcel for you in connection with NTA NEET exams." I said, okay. Being the first time, I thought I had just to go and collect it. So went and collected the box, the parcel from the Canara Bank as well. So we came here, I think the box could not be opened until 1:15, and so like that. And then after opening the box, everything was set. The biometric team had come, frisking was done, all of that thing. The rooms were set and all. And then we opened the box, and what happened is we found both the boxes, and we found that there are two sets of questions of 720 marks each. So we said maybe since I don't get, I tried calling the director of NTA, sending message to them. Absolutely, I find that there's such lack of communication from their side. So then I said maybe the students who had gone for coaching, I think they know that they will be getting two sets, and maybe the easier one they'll choose, and then they'll submit accordingly. And then when the exam started, and then about another another 1.5 hour, 1 hour plus, I got somehow to call the thing, because I checked with the attendance sheet, the sheet of the students. I think there's only one place to fill up the kthang, the thing itself. So I said I should somehow get the message. I called some people from NTA who are they said, no, we are not in the exams. Exam people will know. So somehow I got the director, Mr. Vijay Kumar. I got him and I said, oh, he just said, you should have given the SBI question bank. I said, so we didn't know.
Which is the correct one?
Maybe, according to him. We didn't know because we got two boxes. Nobody had told us that do this or do that. And so if I don't give to the students, it's like